In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an appointment on Vagaro. First things first, navigating through your Vagaro platform can seem daunting with its multitude of features and options. But don't worry, cancelling an appointment is a straightforward process that we're going to walk through together, step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident managing your schedule effectively. To get started, you'll need to head over to your calendar on the Vagaro website. This is essentially your command center for all appointments, bookings and schedules. To access this, simply click on the calendar link provided or log into your Vagaro account and select the calendar option yourself. Ensuring you're in the right spot is crucial for a smooth experience, and the calendar page is where all the magic happens, allowing you to see your upcoming appointments at a glance. Once you've arrived at your calendar, the next step is to locate the specific appointment you wish to delete. This might sound obvious, but with a busy schedule filled with numerous back-to-back appointments, it's important to double-check that you're selecting the right one. Take a moment to carefully find the appointment in question. When you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up the appointment details, giving you a closer look at the time, service, and client information, which can be crucial if you're managing a packed day. With the appointment details now front and center on your screen, your next move is to click on the delete option. It's usually represented by a trash bin icon or the word delete, making it relatively easy to spot. This is the first step in the actual deletion process, signaling your intent to remove this particular slot from your schedule. It's a good idea to pause here for a moment, ensure that this is indeed the appointment you wish to cancel. Once an appointment is deleted, depending on your settings and the platform's features, notifying the client about the cancellation and perhaps rescheduling will be the next steps on your agenda. After clicking delete, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a standard safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, giving you one last chance to back out if you've made a mistake or changed your mind. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and click on delete again to confirm. This action effectively removes the appointment from your calendar, freeing up that time slot for other bookings or activities. It's a simple click, but one that carries the weight of your schedule's accuracy and your commitment to your clients. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. You've successfully navigated to your calendar, found the appointment you wish to delete, initiated the deletion process, and confirmed your decision. It's a straightforward process, yet one that requires careful attention to detail to ensure the smooth running of your business and maintaining the trust of your clients. A couple of additional tips to keep in mind. Always double check the appointment you're deleting to avoid any mix-ups, and consider reaching out to the client personally to explain the cancellation if it was not initiated by them. This level of personal touch can go a long way in maintaining a positive relationship and potentially rescheduling for a future date. Also, remember that managing your schedule effectively is key to a successful business. So take advantage of the various tools and features available on Vagaro to streamline your booking process, keep your calendar up to date, and communicate any changes with your clients promptly and professionally. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Deleting an appointment on Vagaro is a breeze when you know the steps, and now you're more equipped to manage your schedule efficiently. Remember, every feature on the Vagaro platform is designed to help you and your business thrive, so explore, learn, and make the most of it. Here's to keeping your business running smoothly, one appointment at a time.